why are we looking for fossils in Africa? This is a very interesting historical point. Like most things in science, it was in Europe and North America that people started first thinking about human evolution. And in fact, the first human fossils were Neanderthals, which are found in what's now a pretty cold place, Dusseldorf in northern Germany. Then people started, for theoretical reasons, going to Asia to look for human ancestors. And they did find human ancestors. The first Homo erectus, the species before our own, was found in Java, in southwestern Asia. But things changed in the 1920s when quarrymen blasting out limestone from cave deposits in South Africa found a little skull, and I got a copy of it here. The person that it was sent to was an anatomist, not a paleontologist. He was an anatomist working at the Witwatersrand Medical School in Johannesburg. His name was Raymond Dart, something of a lunatic. And Dart was just about to go to a wedding, and this box of stones arrived from the quarry. And he looked inside this box and he saw this piece, and he looked at it and he saw straight away that this is a natural filling of the brain case of the little skull of a primate. Dart was an expert on the brains of mammals. And as you can see, it's just half a filling. It's got one side covered with crystals and the other side covered with the rock that filled the brain case. Also in the box, he was looking quickly because he was dressing up in his suit to go to be best man at a wedding. He could see another piece of rock that clipped onto that, but it was covered with limestone, so he didn't know what it looked like inside. So after the wedding, and he got some time to clean it, he took this piece and he got his wife's steel knitting needles and a little hammer, and he chiseled and chiseled at the rock, and you can still see the marks his knitting needles made in the rock that's still in the ice orbits here. And eventually he got this little face out, and this is a skull of a baby primate. And he called it Australopithecus africanus, or the southern ape of Africa. And when eventually he split open the lower jaw and took the teeth off from each other so that you could see the shape of the teeth, he could see that instead of being like ape teeth with projecting canine teeth and small back teeth, these were like human teeth. And this was a manor ape, as he put it. And subsequent finds proved him to be correct. These were upright apes. They walked on their 2 feet like humans, but they had ape-sized brains. And that was Dart's great contribution. And now we know that humans started in Africa, and that any sort of human didn't get out of Africa until about 2 million years ago, when they got out and colonized the old world, parts of Europe and Asia. But they never got to North America until very, very late, until about 30,000 years ago, or somewhere around there. There's argument about the exact time. So humans in North America, even North American Indians and South American Indians, are very late into the continent. So that's why Africa. So now anybody wanting to work on the early human story of the evolution has to work in Africa. Because before 2 million years ago, there wasn't a human fossil to be found out of Africa.